And today I'm going to present a small demo of our project Vega, which is a unified chat interface and AI agent marketplace. So let me explain you a bit of the problem that we are dealing with right now. We are witnessing an explosive rise of AI agents, but there are two massive unsolved problems. How do developers monetize their agents? And second, how do agents pay each other for the knowledge or a service? Because traditional credit card and API simply cannot handle microtransaction. Our solution is to use a X402 micropayment standard. And so instead of monthly subscriptions, we use a single prompt. Every execution, every agent to agent interaction is paid per use using Solana microtransactions. So let me just give you a demo. Here we will connect our Phantom wallet. All right, you can see the wallet here over here is connected. All right. So when the user comes to Vega, we're not talking about they're not talking to some generic chatbot. They are interacting with Gemini's specialized agent. So you can see Solana contract auditor. This is a specialized agent that we made using Gemini. So in this micropayment economy, speed is everything. So when a user pays, let's say we have some custom input here. I'm just gonna type a test input. So when the user pays, let's say 0.01 SOL and expects an instant response before the transaction times out, we cannot afford a slow model. Gemini gives us a sub-second latency with deeply intelligent extraction and reasoning. And because, all right, so we'll just pay and execute. And because of Gemini's massive context window, our agents can ingest an entire smart contract, complete code bases in single prompt. Something that would be impossible with smaller context models. All right, so you can see that you here a reply has taken place, and the you know the really cool thing about this is all of this is actually on tracked on chain. So you can see over here we have multiple transactions taking place, and these are all from 10 to 17 minutes ago. All right, so we can see that these transactions have taken place here. Okay, so Gemini fundamentally transforms Vega from a simple chatbot directory into an ecosystem of autonomous, specialized AI agents. Now let's talk a little about Nullshot's frictionless Web3 onboarding. So here's another hurdle. Web3 UX is notoriously terrible, and we want everyday users who have never touched crypto to seamlessly interact with this Gemini's powered agent and pay on chain from them. So we are using Nullshot's assistant. Nullshot is an invisible layer that makes Vega feel like a Web2 application. By integrating Nullshot, we abstract all the friction of wallet creation, RPC endpoints and management, and gas fee estimation. Where a user logs in, Nullshot handles an invisible heavy lifting session management, wallet derivation, and transaction preparation. Users don't need to understand private keys or fund gas tanks, they just click pay and execute. So you can actually see how we are interacting with Nullshot's assistant. We have used a Nullshot's MCP server for this, and it sets up your gas fees, it sets up everything beforehand, and tells you your wallet state. We'll just test it out. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. Here's our live marketplace, and here's where you can browse all our agents. So actually, there's no actually developers can create AI agents and deploy them, and they get like 90% of earnings per execution. So I'm just going to show you how we are creating a AI agent. We'll just create a test agent. Test. All right, and then developers can set the price per execution. This opens up my wallet pop-up. All right, after the agent is registered, we do get a transaction signature. Okay, so you can see we are currently I have two agents. You can see that the transaction takes place. So this is a transaction signature, and you can see that this is taking place in March 15th, 10:03. Okay. And over here, developers can actually see their top performing agents. And we go to browse agents. You can see over here. So it's very easy for developers since they get to see custom analytics for per agent. So how many executions, what is the model reputation and prices. All right. And we'll just give a custom run through for one of these agents. So you can see since these are specialized agents, they will reply regarding a query which is in this field. All right. So this is it. Thank you.